guys, so it's Rafe here and welcome to another vlog. This is my first vlog and today we're just gonna have a fun day at the dam, so we'll see you guys there. Okay guys, so we've now arrived at Glen Shieling, which is the caravan park, but it's also a dam and it's got a zip line, as you can see there, which is pretty cool. And there's a trampoline. Gift's just doing a front flip. Let's see Gifty do a front flip. Here he goes. Yay, what a boy. Okay, so this is the caravan park, so I'm just going to show you some clips of like what we're going to do here. Get some clips in the canoes maybe, and on the zip line and all that. So, chips.
Focus on what's real, man.
Now we're here at the dam, so we're just gonna have a quick swim. Gift's gonna go on the raft, and we might get some underwater footage for you, but otherwise, yeah, I might also do a bit of canoeing afterwards.
Focus on what's real,
so yeah.
Man.
New part of the vlog. Now I'm just gonna go do some tricks on the trampoline, have a quick sesh, gonna head home, and then yeah, that'll probably be the end of the video. So thanks guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, show this channel some support because it's my first video, and let's just try push for 5 likes on this video. Thanks. Cheers.
Imaginary problems. You gotta focus on what's real, man.